My new scientific hot plate has arrived. I'm preparing to unbox it, even as we speak. Hello there and welcome to the Steven School Alchemy YouTube channel. I hope to earn your subscription today. And if you don't mind, smash the like button. It's free and it helps my channel grow. Now let's get on to opening this box that just arrived. I paid a good penny for this. I was not afraid to splurge because it looks very nice and appears to be very nice. I think it's going to be a good quality product that I can use in my alchemy videos. So far, it seems to be packaged very well for shipping. It also arrived pretty quickly. There was some of this air-filled bubble paper type stuff in here too. Packaged well. See if we can get it open. That's gonna be a trick. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. You're getting closer. Making progress. It's nice that they packaged it so well. You know, that way when it arrives in good shape and not damaged. Okay, so here we are. And then there's some paperwork in the box. Okay, operating instructions. That's going to be handy. Vac, magnetic stir hot plate. That'll be handy. 4E scientific instrument laboratory supply. Okay, now what I like about this one, they had more than one option to choose from when I ordered this, and the option I chose was the most expensive one because it came with the clamp stand, and that's going to be helpful. It's got nice packaging. Look how nice that packaging is. So I could store this. So there's the clamp stand, and this looks like, I haven't opened it yet, but it looks like some kind of thermocouple. Power cord. Okay, so this looks like pieces for the clamp. This is more pieces for the clamp stand. Came with a small tool and a magnetic stir bar, which is nice. You know, I like the size of this hot plate. I like the size. It's a handy size. He's got the hot plate and the magnetic stirrer. Right, so the Kajal in there to keep it dry. So there's my new hot plate. I still have the old one. Both still work. I'm going to add this to my alchemy laboratory and premiere it in some of my upcoming alchemy videos. So stay tuned and subscribe for updates. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.